Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing power and lighting, remove bulbs and switch off the fixture so you won't short anything. Next, score caulk lines with a sharp utility knife around the mirror edge to break the seal. This reduces glass stress and prevents paint pull. Use suction cups and a stable step stool. Grab the mirror with an assistant and apply even, steady pressure. Once the seal is cut and the mirror loosens, tilt gently and lift straight out to avoid bending or cracking the glass. Once the mirror is off, inspect how it was mounted so you can reverse the process. If you find clips, remove top screws first to free the glass safely, then the bottom. This prevents dropping. If adhesive holds it, work a thin wire or strong fishing line behind the mirror in a sawing motion to evenly cut the glue. Make sure to check the wall backing and studs for damage or unevenness, because a flat, solid surface ensures the new mirror will sit flush and secure. Place the new mirror face down on a soft surface and dry fit it to confirm dimensions and hole alignment. Mark mounting positions using a level so the final placement is straight. Apply mirror mastic or a neutral cure silicone in continuous beads to the wall, then lift with suction cups and press firmly for several minutes. Attach clips or screws into anchors once set. If the mirror wobbles after curing, recheck fasteners and add thin shims or upgrade to large.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.